If you really want to know how sales promotion works on 1688 or how you can detect if a supplier is running a sales promotion on 1688 and take the advantages of the sales promotion to buy product at a very cheap price, consider to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because I'm going to show you step by step on how you can detect and how to know if a supplier is running a sales promotion and how you can take the advantages of this sales promotion to buy products at a very cheap price from 1688 step-by-step tutorial. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement agent, importer, and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial about importation business. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to know if a supplier is offering a sales promotion discount and how to take the advantage of the sales promotion to purchase at a very cheap price on 1688 from any supplier that is running a sales promotion on 1688. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to head over to your 1688 app. So I'm going to click on my 1688 app right here. So I'm going to click on here to access my 1688 app. Alright, so having get to your 1688 app, you have to, I'm going to make use of a product as an example so you guys can see how to identify and know if a supplier is running a sales discount or sales promo on 1688. So let's check a product. Alright, so take a look at this product right here. This product here is 48 yuan. You can see from the search right here, search result, it is 48 yuan. So let's click on the product link right here. So having click on the product link, it takes you to the real sales page of the product. Now take a look at it. From the search result, it was written as 48 yuan. But when we get to purchase stage, it was changed to 43 yuan automatically. Now, this is just an example that this supplier here is running a 5 yuan discount on every purchase of this product. Now, for you to know if a supplier is currently run a sales promotion on a particular product, you are going to see the promo update right here. Not every seller actually do this, but any one of them that is doing this, you are going to see the sales promotion countdown right here. So immediately this countdown is end, the product price go back to 48 yuan. Now, let's for instance you want to buy this product. You can. One very good thing about this type of sales promotion is that some of the supplier, they also sell a single item, which means that you can buy below MOQ. You can even see that this supplier here right here, they don't even have an MOQ. This sometimes happens if a supplier is very new on a platform and they want to generate a positive review and they want to make more sales. Those are people that can trust them in the future. That is most of the reason why they run this sales promotion. Or if a product is a very new product and a very new product needs more traffic and more sales, so that people will be aware of the product and they can purchase from them. So those are the reasons why most time you see this type of sales promotion on 1688. Not always all the time you can see it. But if you see something like this, it means that the supplier are doing sales promotion. So for you to purchase the product, what you need to do is to click on here to add the product to cart. If you don't know how to add a product to cart, you can check the video on my channel. I've made a lot of video about how to add a product to cart, then learn how to do that. When you learn how to add a product to cart, then you can come back here and watch the video and see how you take the advantage of sales promotion on 1688. So you can see right here that we still have the sales item selection right here. We still have 48 yuan. And what we need to do right here is to select the product here and come here, select the quantity we need. So let's, for instance, I need 130 centimeter, just one piece of this. So you have to click on here to add the product to cart. So when you're done adding to cart, then you click on here to add the product to cart. So you can see when I add the product to cart, it automatically reduces the price to 43 yuan from 48 yuan right here. Then we have 43 yuan down below right here. This simply means that this is the amount we are going to pay if we purchase a single of this product. So let's check out and see the real price after we have added the product to cart. So after you have successfully added your product to cart, what you need to do is to click on this symbol right here. It means add product to cart. So when you click on that, then it takes you to all the products you have in your cart. Okay, so right here I'm going to take a look at the products. So we have the product right here as 48 yuan, and for me to make a purchase of this product, I just have to click on here and the product move on. I click on here, I've select the product. Once I select the product, you can see we still maintain 43 yuan, which simply means that there is still 5 yuan discount on this product. So finally, we click on here to proceed to checkout. Boom. So immediately you proceed to checkout, it takes you right here. So you can see right here that we still have 43 yuan as the real price for this product, and this is the price we are going to pay if eventually we buy this product. So you can see the discount sales promotion right here, which is 5 yuan. So for you to make a payment, you just need to click on here and enter your payment password, because your Alipay is going to connect. Immediately you click on that button, enter your payment password, boom, you're done. So this is how you know if a supplier is running a sales discount and how you can take advantages of sales promotion on 1688 step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial about importation business. If you want to contact me for any importation business related, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.